Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix something went wrong on ChatGPT app. So if you're currently getting that exact same error and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my ChatGPT app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on my settings app, then what I did in here is that I scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, what I did is that I scrolled down a little bit and then I clicked on storage in here, as you can see. So I just clicked on storage and then I just waited for this page to completely load. And in here, what I did is that I just swiped up like this until I can see the search bar up top. And then I just search for chat GPT in here. So click on ChatGPT in here, as you can see, then click on Upload App, and once again click on Upload App in here, and just wait, and then click on the blue button here once again, and just simply wait for your ChatGPT app to completely update to its latest version. So basically I did this myself, and after it was done, I just went back into my ChatGPT app, and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.